how to install the double panel wood shutter. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. You will receive 2 separate packages, one long box and one rectangular box. Inside, you will find your double panel wood shutter and all necessary accessories neatly packed for installation. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, take out the shutter frame. You'll notice that the labels indicating the frame side are attached to each frame. At the same time, check the frame edges. They are angled and there are 2 small notches on the back. Next, follow the position labels and lay the frame on the floor like this. Note the large and small dovetail keys and the corresponding slots on each side of the frame. Each dovetail key has a rounded side and a flat side. Insert the rounded side into the slot first. With the rounded edge of the dovetail key facing upward, press the top frame down into the dovetail slot until it locks into place. Next, place the corner brackets into the groove of the frame and secure them with screw. Assemble the remaining frame sections in the same way. Use a rubber mallet if needed to help tap the pieces together. After that, check that all pre-drilled holes on the shutter frame are fully drilled through. Lift your assembled frame up to window, align with the top label. You'll notice the frame can shift slightly within the recess. Once you find the correct position, secure the top left and top right corners with screws. Perfect! The shutter frame is now temporarily secured in place. Take a look at the panel hinges. You'll see they align perfectly with the hinges on the frame. Lift the shutter panels up to the frame. Attach the 2 hinge sections together. After it, insert the hinge pin to marry them together. Tip: if you notice any misalignment between the shutter panels and the shutter frame, you can slightly loosen the screws on the hinge to allow the panel to move up or down until it lines up perfectly with the frame. Once everything looks right, tighten the hinge screws to secure the position. Then insert the locking screw into the hole on the hinge and secure it. Now your shutter panels are securely attached to the frame, but we've still got a few more steps to make it look perfect. Go back and fasten the screws in the remaining pre-drilled holes along the shutter frame. Important: tighten the screws in a diagonal sequence first, then secure the screws along both sides of the frame. For a seamless finish, you can use small caps to cover the screw holes on the frame. Easy as this. Awesome! Your double panel wood shutter is now all set. Everyone will be amazed. You did it yourself.